Assalamualaikum guys, once again I'm back with another quick tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to directly make your USB into a flash drive using media creation tool. Download the Windows 10 ISO file from official Microsoft website through a media creation tool. Simply let's go on the Google Chrome or any browser and then type here Windows 10 download. You will get a website of Microsoft on the top. Just go open it, and then simply you will get two options. One is update. If you are facing in a while updating errors, then you can simply download this will solve your issue. Or if you are using the older version like 2018 or 19, then you can use this option for fixing all the updates issue. Now second option is create Windows 10 installation media. So basically you can read the name installation media, so this will help you to make a bootable pen drive directly. So just click on download now. I have already downloaded, so let's move on the software. This PC, if you have downloaded with IDM, then simply you can go through like this and then find here the software that you have downloaded earlier, the media creation tool 21H2, that's the version. Now here it will take a few seconds, it's all depend on your internet. Now you can read this applicable notices and license terms if you want, otherwise just click on next, accept. Getting a few things ready. Now you will get again two options. What do you want to do actually? So if you want to upgrade your operating system, the Windows 10, then simply you can select the upper option. Otherwise you can go with the down option, the lower option, create installation media. If you are using Windows 7, then still you can upgrade your PC with upper option. Okay, now here these are the recommending settings for my PC. I'm using 64-bit architecture, but in your case if you are using the 32-bit, then simply uncheck the box and now you can select the architecture. You can download both ISO together or simply you can select. And if you don't know how to check it, just right click on this PC, then go into the properties, and now here you can see system type is 64-bit and x64-bit processors. Now simply click on next. After selecting the architecture, now it will ask you need a ISO file, so you can make your USB drive bootable later, or directly you can simply use the USB flash drive option and just make your USB bootable directly. Select the upper option if your internet is working fine, because it will take a few minutes because of downloading the ISO file, and then it will make into a bootable form for your USB drive. So simply going with the upper option, and then it will show you your USB. If it's not showing here, then click on the refresh link. It will refresh for you. Otherwise simply detach and reattach your USB drive, then it will show here. Just select it. After selecting, just click on next, and now the process is begin. 0 to 100%, definitely it will goes fine without any error, but it's depend on your internet performance. If your internet is faster, that will take less time. Otherwise you need to be patient. I hope you like this video. This video is really helpful for you. Please hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question, just drop your comment. I'll respond to you as soon as possible. Before starting the process from 0 to 1%, you can format your hard disk, your USB drive. Otherwise it will format automatically after downloading the ISO file. I hope everything is clear now.